It's a beautiful day today and it's windy. Very windy. Let's go out here to Barbara's yard. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, windy. Wait, I cannot see the... Okay. It's very windy. Windy here. Ooh. Okay guys, let's go back in. Ooh, it's windy. Nililipad ang aking magandang buhok. Close. Let's close that. And this one too. Let's close this. Ano ba to? Ayan. Okay. Okay guys, that's it for today. Let's go out here. Go out here. Let's go check the pool. Hi, duck. Hello, duck. The duck that is not moving. Hindi gumagalaw. Statwa lang siya. Meron silang gumamela, oh. Kaya lang, konti lang ang ano, bulaklak. Na-dry na yung iba. Yan. Walang nagsuswimming. Papalamig na kasi. Yan ang kanilang swimming pool. Meron pa siyang spa doon. Come on guys, let's swim. One of these days. Mag-swimming tayo. Nakapatay yung ano, yung falls. Nakapatay. Nakapatay. Ooh, hangin. It's beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today. Ganda ng panahon. Mahangin naman. Hindi naman siya malamig. Mahangin lang siya. Ganda. Okay guys. Let's go back. Let's take a video of this. There's another one here. And there's a flamingo here.